Assalamu alaikum dear students. So today we are going to start the unsolved exercise of present perfect continuous assertive sentences. So let's get started. अकबर कई घंटे से पहाड़े याद कर रहा है. अकबर has been learning tables for many hours. तुम 6 बजे से दोस्तों को ख़त लिख रहे हो. You have been writing letters to your friends since 6 o'clock. मरीज़ 10 मिनट से चीख रहा है. The patient has been crying for 10 minutes. चौकीदार 5 घंटे से पहरा दे रहा है. The watchman has been keeping watch for 5 hours. नक्शा नवीस 1 हफ्ते से इमारत का नक्शा बना रहा है. The draftsmen have been making the design of the building for a week. नक्शा नवीस draftsman. मैं बुध से टीवी की मुरम्मत कर रहा हूँ. I have been repairing the TV since Wednesday. वो 1983 से पेंशन ले रहा है. He has been getting pension since 1983. कुछ लोग शाम से नुमाइश का लुत्फ़ उठा रहे हैं. Some people have been enjoying exhibition since evening. लड़कियां 7 बजे से हार बना रही हैं. The girls have been making garlands since 7 o'clock. तमाम मुसलमान यकम रमज़ान से रोज़े रख रहे हैं. All the Muslims have been keeping fasts since the first of Ramadan. Or you may say, all the Muslims have been fasting since the first of Ramadan. So both the way will be fine. Now we are going to start the negative sentences solve exercises. As we have discussed earlier, the methodology for negative sentences, we just add not between have and been. मल्लाह 2 घंटे से अपनी कश्तियाँ छोड़कर नहीं जा रहे हैं. The boatmen have not been leaving their boats for 2 hours. वो 2 दिन से वर्जिश नहीं कर रहा है. He has not been taking exercise for 2 days. मुसाफिर शाम से आग नहीं जला रहे हैं. The passengers have not been burning fire since evening. निकम्मे तालिबे इल्म कई दिनों से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. The idle students have not been working for many days. दर्जी मंगल से कपड़े नहीं सी रहा है. The tailor has not been sewing clothes since Tuesday. शिकारी कई माह से जाल नहीं बिछा रहा है. The hunter has not been setting up trap for several months. Similarly, students, you can complete this exercise by yourself, keeping the methodology and ideology of the sentences in your mind. So let's get started. The unsolved exercise of negative sentences. लाहौर में कल से बारिश नहीं हो रही है. It has not been raining in Lahore since yesterday. तालाब में मेंढक शाम से नहीं टरा रहे हैं. The frogs have not been croaking in the pond since evening. हम अप्रैल से अफवाहों पर यकीन नहीं कर रहे हैं. We have not been believing rumors since April. ये आदमी सुबह से घास नहीं काट रहा है. This man has not been cutting grass since morning. किसान कई माह से नया ट्रैक्टर नहीं खरीद रहा है. The farmer has not been buying a new tractor for many months. मैं दिसंबर से नया नावल नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. I have not been writing a new novel since December. मुर्गियाँ जून से अंडे नहीं दे रही हैं. The hens have not been laying eggs since June. बैल 2 दिन से चारा नहीं खा रहा है. The ox has not been eating fodder for 2 days. चारा, fodder, Fodder. So that is it for today, dear students. The rest of the sentences you can do to yourselves because they are pretty easy. So from tomorrow we'll be starting the solved and unsolved exercise of interrogative sentences. So till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.